We'll guide you through how to download and install Zoom. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having Zoom on your computer is really useful as it means you can go and host meetings but also go and join them as well. So we'll be guiding you through this step by step. To go and get started, come down to the bottom of your computer and go and open up a web browser. I'm using Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And then what you want to do is go and type in Zoom like so and come to the Zoom site, which is zoom.com. Now, all you need to do is scroll to the bottom to the footer. And what you need to do is go into the download section and click on download at the top and you'll be brought to this page. And we're going to get Zoom Workplace. So you can click on download like so. Most systems will be 64-bit now. After it's downloaded, you need to come to your downloads folder. So open up your file explorer, come to the left and click downloads, and you can then find the installer and double click it. It's now going to go and start. It will go and install like so, and you can then go and press done. It's really simple. So you can go and join a meeting, sign up or sign in. In this case, I'm going to go and sign in. After you've signed in or signed up, it'll go and load. So we can go into home at the top. We could start a new meeting, join one, schedule one, or go and share our screen. In this case, I could click new meeting and here we go. We can then come to the bottom, click on participants, come over to the right and click invite and start inviting people. If you found this useful, then leave a like.